Do cats really have 9 lives? Let's uncover the truth behind this intriguing belief. Welcome to an exploration of a timeless myth that has fascinated cat lovers and skeptics alike. Today, we delve into the origins of the belief that our feline companions possess 9 lives. Is there any truth to this claim? Or is it merely a fanciful tale spun by generations of cat aficionados? This age-old proverb has found its way into various cultures and societies, lending an air of mystique and intrigue to these graceful creatures. But where did it originate? What factors contributed to its widespread acceptance? Is it a testament to the cat's remarkable survival skills, or does it stem from ancient folklore and superstition? These are the questions we aim to answer as we embark on this fascinating journey. So buckle up and prepare to delve into the world of cats like never before. Join me in this captivating journey to understand why we believe our feline friends have 9 lives. Firstly, let's delve into the remarkable survival skills of cats. Cats, known for their agility and grace, possess an uncanny ability to survive in situations that could otherwise be fatal. One of the most fascinating aspects of a cat's survival skill set is their ability to land safely from high falls. This is due to their unique skeletal structure and a phenomenon called the righting reflex. A cat's flexible backbone and absence of a collarbone allow it to twist its body swiftly in midair and land on its feet, reducing the impact of the fall. This incredible reflex begins to develop when a kitten is just 3 weeks old and is fully honed by the time they reach 9 weeks. In addition to their acrobatic prowess, cats have a robust immune system that aids in their strong recovery from illnesses and injuries. Their bodies are incredibly efficient at healing wounds, thanks to a high metabolism that accelerates cell regeneration. Cats also have a heightened sense of awareness, which helps them avoid potential hazards, thus increasing their chances of survival. Moreover, cats are known for their resilience and tenacity. They can adapt to a variety of environments, whether it's the streets of a bustling city or the quiet solitude of a country barn. This adaptability is yet another testament to their extraordinary survival skills. However, it's not just physical attributes that arm these feline creatures with a strong survival instinct. Cats are solitary hunters, and their predatory instincts are ingrained from a young age. This independence and resourcefulness further enhance their survivability. So while it's a myth that cats have 9 lives, there's no denying their remarkable survival skills. These abilities, coupled with their agility, resilience, and tenacity, could very well be the reasons behind such folklore. It's these characteristics that have made cats one of the most loved and admired creatures on the planet. These amazing survival traits could be one reason why people believe cats have 9 lives. Next, we explore how mythology and folklore contribute to this belief. From the sun-scorched sands of ancient Egypt to the medieval towns of Europe, cats have been woven into the fabric of mythology and folklore, often associated with multiple lives. In the vibrant world of Egyptian mythology, the sun god Ra was believed to transform into 9 different forms during the night. As cats were revered in this civilization, it's easy to see how this belief could have been transferred onto our feline friends, giving them the reputation of possessing 9 lives. But the story doesn't end in Egypt. Fast forward to the Middle Ages in Europe, where black cats were often seen as witches' companions. Folk tales abounded of witches transforming into black cats, possessing 9 lives, and using their mystical powers to wreak havoc. Such tales spread across the continent, further cementing the idea of cats having multiple lives. It's not just the tales themselves, but the very act of storytelling that has perpetuated this belief. Stories are powerful, they shape our perception of the world. And when stories of cats with 9 lives are passed down from generation to generation, they become part of our collective consciousness and thus a cultural truth. Moreover, these myths and folk tales often serve a purpose beyond mere entertainment. They help us make sense of the world, providing explanations for things we don't fully understand. In this case, the extraordinary resilience and survival instincts of cats. So, while we now know cats don't literally have 9 lives, these stories give us a way to express their remarkable qualities in a way that's easy to grasp. So, from the sun god Ra's nightly transformations to witchy black cats of medieval Europe, mythology and folklore have played a significant role in shaping the belief in cats' 9 lives. It's possible that these myths and tales further fortified the belief in cats' 9 lives. Let's now examine the significance of the number 9 in various cultures. In the realm of numerology and symbolism, the number 9 holds a unique position. It's revered as a sacred number in many cultures, often symbolizing concepts of longevity, eternity, and completion. Let's start our journey in China. In Chinese culture, the number 9, or Ju, is associated with long life and eternity. This association stems from the phonetic similarity between the words for long-lasting and 9. This connection to longevity and eternity might have influenced the belief in cats having 9 lives, as it metaphorically links the cat's resilience to the eternal nature of the number 9. But the symbolism of 9 doesn't stop there. It's also considered a number of completion. In Norse mythology, there are 9 worlds connected by Yggdrasil, the world tree. In Greek mythology, there are 9 muses, each representing a realm of art and science. And let's not forget about the Christian tradition where there are 9 fruits of the Holy Spirit. Moreover, the number 9 is fascinating from a mathematical perspective as well. It's the last digit in our base 10 system, marking an end before a new cycle begins. This idea of completion and beginning anew aligns with the concept of a cat having multiple lives. So the number 9, with its various symbolic meanings, provides a rich tapestry of beliefs that could have contributed to the notion of cats possessing 9 lives. While it's not a concrete explanation, it offers a compelling insight into why this particular number might have been chosen. In conclusion, the number 9 is more than just a digit. It's a symbol of longevity, eternity, and completion in various cultures. Its rich symbolism could have influenced the belief of cats having multiple lives, adding another layer of mystique to our feline friends. The symbolism of the number 9 might have played a role in the belief of cats having 9 lives. Cats are often perceived as mysterious creatures. Could this be another reason behind the 9 lives belief? Let's delve into this intriguing aspect. Cats, with their inscrutable eyes and graceful movements, have been capturing humans' curiosity for centuries. They have a certain mystique, an enigmatic aura that sets them apart from other domestic animals. This enigma is not just about their physical allure, but also their unique behaviors. Take, for instance, a cat's nocturnal nature. They are most active during twilight hours, prowling and hunting in the hush of night. This behavior, while natural to them, has often been linked to mystery and magic in human perception. Then there's their uncanny ability to land on their feet, a phenomenon known as the riding reflex. This ability, which kittens develop as early as 3 weeks old, has baffled humans for centuries and has likely contributed to the idea of their supernatural resilience. And let's not forget the mesmerizing gaze of a cat. Those penetrating eyes that seem to hold a world of secrets have fueled many a folklore about cats possessing mystical powers. Cats also have a knack for disappearing and reappearing seemingly out of nowhere, enhancing their reputation as elusive, magical beings. This knack, coupled with their 9 lives myth, has led many to believe that cats can traverse between the realms of life and death. Finally, there's the cat's solitary nature. Unlike dogs, cats are solitary hunters and often exhibit an independent streak. This aloofness can make them seem distant and mysterious, further adding to their mystique. So, while the belief in cats having 9 lives is not scientifically backed, it's easy to see how their mysterious nature could have sparked such a myth. The aura of mystery surrounding cats certainly adds to their charm and to the belief in their 9 lives. As we've seen, cats are not just pets. They're fascinating creatures wrapped in a shroud of mystery, captivating us with their charm. While the 9 lives myth is fascinating, what does science have to say about it? Science, with its unwavering commitment to facts and evidence, has a straightforward answer. Cats, like all other animals, have just one life. The notion of multiple lives is a charming myth, but it doesn't hold up under the microscope of scientific scrutiny. A cat's biology is no different from other mammals. They have a single heart that beats, lungs that breathe, and a brain that thinks. When these vital organs cease to function, the cat's life, unfortunately, ends. There are no spare lives waiting in the wings. There's no magical reset button to bring them back to life. This might sound like a cold, hard truth, but it's important to remember that science doesn't negate the extraordinary resilience and survival skills of cats. On the contrary, it helps us understand and appreciate them even more. For instance, let's consider a cat's ability to survive falls from high places. This isn't due to an extra stockpile of lives. Instead, it's thanks to their unique skeletal structure, a flexible body, and what's known as the riding reflex, which allows them to land on their feet most of the time. Similarly, a cat's fast recovery from illness or injury isn't because they have multiple lives to spare. It's due to their robust immune system and their instinctive ability to hide their pain and weakness. a survival trait inherited from their wild ancestors. So, while the concept of 9 lives is a romantic one, steeped in folklore and mythology, it's not grounded in scientific fact. Instead, it's a metaphorical way of acknowledging the resilience, agility, and mystique of these fascinating creatures. Scientifically, cats don't have 9 lives, but their remarkable survival skills make it seem as if they do. So, we've explored various reasons behind the 9 lives myth. What can we conclude? Firstly, we delved into the extraordinary survival skills of cats. Their ability to land on their feet from great heights and their incredible recovery rates from illness or injury have contributed to the belief in their multiple lives. These survival skills, coupled with their agility and adaptability, make them some of the most resilient creatures on the planet. Next, we considered the influence of mythology and folklore. From the Egyptian sun god Ra, believed to transform into 9 different forms during the night, to the medieval European tales of witches transforming into 9-lived black cats, these stories have played a significant role in shaping the concept of cats having 9 lives. We also examined the symbolism of the number 9. Held sacred in many cultures, the number 9 often represents longevity and eternity. In China, for instance, it is associated with long life and immortality. This symbolism could very well be reflected in the phrase, "A cat has 9 lives." Furthermore, we looked at the mystique of cats. Often perceived as mysterious creatures, cats have long been believed to possess extraordinary abilities. The notion of 9 lives could be a metaphor, an artistic way of expressing the enigmatic nature of cats. Lastly, we confronted the scientific truth. Like all animals, cats have 1 life. Yet the concept of 9 lives persists, a testament to the cultural symbolism and the remarkable resilience of these animals. So while the idea of cats having 9 lives is rooted more in folklore and symbolism than in scientific fact, it's clear that this myth has captured our collective imagination, highlighting the resilience and mystique of these fascinating creatures. While cats may not literally have 9 lives, their resilience and mystique continue to fascinate us, perpetuating this enduring myth.